2025 Hidden Cove Lane in historic Edenton, North Carolina could be the location for your special weekend getaway or the perfect place for your forever home. Located on the Chowan River, this private, secluded, bulkheaded lot is ready for your next adventure. Electric and water already on site, along with a newly repaired pier and boat lift, give you instant enjoyment. Edenton is steeped in history, serving as the second capital of North Carolina. Selected as one of the America's prettiest towns by Forbes magazine, you don't have to look hard to find history and points of interest. A walk through the downtown area serves almost as a time portal to experience small town life. There's lots of restaurants and local shops located right here in Edenton, but with just a short drive you can find even more in Elizabeth City, and an hour's drive puts you on the North Carolina Outer Banks and the Hampton Roads metro area. Part of the larger Albemarle area, the entire region is known for its small town charm and a great place to live, work, and retire. Come take a personal look at Hidden Cove in Edenton, North Carolina, and discover everything it has to offer. For more information, contact listing agent Chris Whitehurst of Womble Realty, 252-312-2263. Welcome home.